A lot of people speak English like so nervous or what. It's okay. Try to speak English, whatever your accent. It's okay. Just speak. As long as you know what you said. Always people laugh. Always people talk. Try to speak English. Twaje muri Amerika dukuze ntabwo twigeze twigira hano. You know, I'm gonna book you muri Amerika. Don't laugh my English. You know, speak your English. You know, Indian guys, India, our India always baramotiva. Bakora icyo bita motivate when they speak English. Umuntu wari wese kumva motivate kubera ko they speak English ugakomeza kumva ya accent yiwabo. Let me say this one. I have a friend from India and one day said she's gonna come to do interview on my job. Excuse me. This is how she said. What your name? What your name? And I asked her, my name is Jenny. Oh, Jenny, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Trust me, guys, I was almost laughing. Accent still new wow. And then she said that, I will come to do interview here. Tomorrow I will come to do interview and I have appointment for interview. And I hope I will pass this interview, but I'm so nervous and I'm scared. I'm scared for the interview. Can you tell me what you do to pass this interview? Because these people, it's a difficult to pass an interview for them. Huh? That India people, they can just speak English, but it's like with the accent. Don't scare accent. Don't scare your accent because we have their own language. So why are you scared to speak English? Huh? Oh, okay. And naramubwiye ati ushaka kuvuga icyongereza kukuza gukora interview. Aravuga ati yeah, interview is very important when you're going to start a new job, but I'm so scared also. I'm scared a lot. I scared a lot. But my husband gonna take me at interview today at 3 p.m. today, and I believe that I will pass it. Okay? Hey. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Speak English. Don't scare to speak English. Before, when I was coming in America, guys, trust me, people were talking. I just be quiet. Like, even what I understand, I just quiet because I'm scared to speak. But guys, don't scare, speak out. Speak whatever your accent is. It's okay. Thank you so much.